however you want to do it. So go ahead. You can decorate. You can put white chocolate chips here.
Wow, that's beautiful.
And then that.
Yeah, can you reach it here? Whatever you would like to do.
You're concentrating nice, Ab. Wow, that is a lot of cinnamon and sugar.
I know, it's going to be so good. That's going to be like, it's going to be like a cinnamon sugar.
Yeah, baby. How about, Addie, how about some blue sugar? The blue sprinkles.
Oh.
Don't forget those.
Shake, shake, shake.
And then
I think this one needs some.
yeah.
And those.
What is this, puppy?
It's blue sugar. It's sugar that's been dyed.
And these?
Those are little mini chocolate chips.
Oh, very nice.
Very nice. Is that what you said?
Yes, you did.